Hola, ¿cómo estáis? Estoy muy bien. Hi, welcome to everyone. How are you? I'm very fine. Dear viewers, today I'm gonna teach you five one-word Spanish sentences. So it is gonna be very interesting lesson for you. Dear viewers, this is my second video about one-word Spanish language. In my previous video, I have shown you 10 one-word Spanish sentences. Today, I'll show you another 5 one-word Spanish sentences. Dear viewers, these are the one word, but these are expressed full sentence. So it is very interesting lesson for all the students, those who wanna learn Spanish language. Dear viewers, let's get started. And already I have written 5 smart one word Spanish here, and I will make you understand what is the meaning of every word, every sentence. Reviewer, number 1 is cállate. Cállate. ¿Qué significa cállate? ¿Qué significa cállate means what does cállate means? ¿Qué significa means what does it mean? Whenever you want to know a meaning of a person, puedes decir ¿qué significa esto? ¿Qué significa cállate? ¿Qué significa escríbeme? So, cállate means shut up. Shut up. Why it is cállate? Because this is not double L. In Spanish, this letter name is ella. Ella. Or ella. That means it is cállate. It will be pronounced like ella. Cállate. Cállate. Not cállate. Not cállate, it's cállate, cállate. ¿Por qué? Porque this letter name is ella, ella. It is not double L. In English it is double L, but in Spanish it is ella. So cállate. Cállate means shut up. Shut up. Whenever you notice some people are making noise in front of you, then you may say, cállate. Por favor, cállate todas las personas. Please shut up all the person because you are doing an important thing. So, puedes decir cállate, por favor. Cállate, cállate, cállate. That means shut up. Number 2, escríbeme. Escríbeme. ¿Qué significa escríbeme? What does escríbeme means? Escríbeme means text me. Whenever you need to know information from your friend or your senior person or any other person, puedes decir escríbeme, text me. We always do that. Whenever we need to know information, we say to a person, please text me, please text me. So, escríbeme means text me. Text me. Number 3, olvídalo. ¿Qué significa olvídalo? Olvídalo means forget it. If a person, maybe your friend or your father or your mother, get hurt by you, puedes decir, you can say olvídalo. Olvídalo, por favor. Forget it. That means they have got hurt from you, and you can say olvídalo. Forget it. Olvídalo. Forget it. Olvídalo. Number 4, abrázame. Abrázame. ¿Por qué abrázame? Why not abrázame? Because this letter name is zeta and it will be pronounced like so. In English it is Z, but in Spanish it is zeta and it will be pronounced like so. That's why it is abrázame. Abrázame. And this symbol name is tilde. Whenever you find this tilde over a letter, you have to give accent on the letter. That means the pronunciation of the word will be a little longer. Abrázame, abrázame, olvídalo, olvídalo, escríbeme. This symbol name is tilde, tilde. So abrázame, abrázame means hug me, hug me. Embrace, embrace me. abrázame, hug me. Puedes decir a tu amigo, abrázame por favor. You can say to your friend, hug me, por favor. Please hug me. So, abrázame means hug me. Abrázame. Number 5 is anímate. 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 Anímate means cheer up. Cheer up. This is note of exclamation. Note of exclamation. In English, note of exclamation is used at the end of the sentence, but in Spanish, note of exclamation and note of interrogation are used both sides of the sentence or both sides of the word. This is the note of exclamation. Anímate. Anímate means cheer up. So, anímate means cheer up. So, dear viewers, I'm repeating from the first. Número uno, number 1 is cállate. Cállate means shut up. Cállate, cállate, shut up. Número 2, escríbeme. Escribe means text me. Text me. Número 3, olvídalo. Olvídalo means forget it. Olvídalo. Número 4, abrázame. Abrázame means hug me. Abrázame, hug me. Número 5, anímate. Anímate means cheer up. Dear viewer, we waste our valuable time by gossiping or sometimes we browsing unnecessarily in different social medias. But if we want to learn our language, it will be a better option for us to make our better career. Dear viewers, you know, to learn our language is to win a nation. So we can learn our language instead of gossiping or abusing our valuable time. So dear viewers, if you think that you are benefited by watching this video, please like my video and subscribe my channel and share the video with your friends so that they can get opportunity to learn this one-word Spanish sentences. Dear viewers, if you or think that you want to learn more, please make a comments below, and if I do a mistake, please make a comments below to recall me. So dear viewers, no more today with best regards to you and to your friends. I'll be back soon with another new video. So stay well and keep learning. Adios.